한국어 공부해. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is 한국어, because today, on one Korean word a day, we are going to study about the word 한국어. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 182. 한국어. 한국어. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is han, second syllable is guk, third syllable is o. Pronounce it with me. 한국어. The word 한국어 actually pertains to the Korean language itself. Again, 한국어 means the Korean language. Now, how do we write 한국어 in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable han in Hangul, we need to draw first a he character, followed by an a character, followed by a nian character. For the second syllable guk, we need to draw first a gi character, followed by an u character, followed by another gi character. For the third syllable o, we need to draw first a placeholder iyong, followed by an o character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word 한국어. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, I study Korean. Again, I study Korean. The Korean translation of this sentence is 한국어 공부해. Again, it's 한국어 공부해. The first part of this sentence is 한국어. And since this is our word for today, we already know that it pertains to the Korean language itself. The second part of the sentence is 공부해, which is used to say I study or I do study. So if we combine the meaning of 한국어 and 공부해, it could actually result to a sentence that means I study Korean or I study the Korean language. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 한국어 공부해 is simply I study Korean. And with that, you've just learned 한국어. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 172 to 181. But don't forget our word for today, word number 182, 한국어, which pertains to the Korean language itself. Word number 181 is 여러분, which means everyone. Word number 180 is pizza, and this pertains to the common food, which is pizza. Word number 179 is 싫어, and this is used to say, I hate it. Word number 178 is hana, and this is the number 1 of the native Korean numbers. Word number 177 is 슬프다, and this is a verb which means to be sad. Word number 176 is 울지마, and this is an informal way of saying don't cry. Word number 175 is 뭐 or 뭐, and this is used to ask what. Word number 174 is 제가 or 내가, and this is a pronoun which means I or me. Word number 173 is 후배, and this is the Korean term for a junior or someone younger than you in terms of experience. Word number 172 is 선배, and this is the Korean term for a senior or someone older than you in terms of experience. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.